Good morning, dear teacher and classmates. Today I will talk about chapter for intervolutions. Today, let's move to the last party to see the main course of my report. My report will focus on three main parts. First, the development history of the Internet. Second, basic structure of the network system. Third, the needs and the applications of the Internet in modern society. Now, let's learn to base the idea of Internet of the last party. What is the Internet? First, let's explain the basic concept of the Internet. The Internet is a global network system. It connects millions of computers around the world. It lets you show and get information quickly. The word Internet comes from inter and network. Together, it means a network system that crosses national borders in today's society. The Internet is widely used in communications, education, business, entertainment, and successful research. It combines many media forms such as text, videos, images, sounds, and animations. It has become one of the most influential teenagers in modern life. Let's find out how the Internet developed on the last party. Then we will show a video. Wait a moment.
Welcome back to Timeline. Today we have a fascinating journey lined up for you. Ever wondered what the world science fiction? Today, research projects agency networks that could communicate with each other, even if some parts of the network were damaged. This was a revolutionary concept at the time, and it laid this into a tool. Phone, the Internet of Things world. Thank you for being a part.
Okay, the development and the talent of the Internet. The report shows the whole processes of the Internet from the early networks concept, the global applications. The development of the Internet has roughly gone through the following stages. Number 1, packet switching stage. Number 2, Internet interconnection stage. Number 3, product improvement and network expansion stage. Number 4, commercializations and popularizations application stage. The stages have together laid the technological foundations from the operations of today's Internet. Let's learn about the first stage in the detail on the last party. So the core technologies of the first stage is packet switching. In 1961, Leder Kleinrock first put forward the concept of the packet switching. In 1969, ARPANET was officially put into operation. It connected university in the market, the birth of the institutions, computer networks. Let's continue to learn about the later developers on the last part. In 1972, ARPANET was publicly deployed for the first time, and the MPC was introduced in the same year. The world's first email program was created. Ron Tomlinson introduced the AT symbol that is still used in email today. In 1976, Queen Elizabeth II of the UK successfully sent an email. It became an important event in the history of the Internet. Later, ARPANET continued to expand. Early applications such as Usenet, discussions, groups, videos, calls, and IRC appeared. This is the end of my report. Thank you for your listen.
Hello, my name is Ji Wenyu. The connector of my report is pages 7 to 12. Phase 2 introduced major protocols that shaped modern internet communication. In 1983, TCP/IP was officially adopted along with the domain name system DNS. Other important protocols such as SMTP, FTP, and conjunction countermeasures followed. During this time, networks like CSNet, BITnet, and NSFnet expanded rapidly. In Malaysia, Mesmos was established in 1985, followed by Brickmo, and later Judging, marking the growth of internet infrastructure locally. This phase focused on network expansion and increased accessibility. By the end of the year, more than 100,000 hosts were connected globally, setting the stage for the World Wide Web and massive internet usage. This chart illustrates the distribution of internet usage across countries. From the visual comparison, we can observe a difference in internet penetration levels, reflections, variation in infrastructure, economic development, and digital access across the region. Next, let us move from history to how the internet is structured today. A network system is a group of interconnected devices called modules that share data, resources, and information. Its main purpose include communication, resource sharing, filing transfer, and online communication. There are three main types of networks: LAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. Let us look at each one briefly. LAN connects devices within a small geographical area, such as a school, office, or home. The key characteristics include limited area, high speed, resource sharing. MAN covers a city or metropolitan area, connecting multiple lands. For example, it is community used by university or government agencies within the same city, offering high-speed connectivity over a wide area.
One spans a very large geographical area such as a country or continent. The Internet itself is the largest one, collecting millions of networks worldwide using public infrastructure like fiber optics and satellites. This diagram shows the relationship between the Internet networking systems and wireless connections such as Wi-Fi, also known as WLAN. It highlights how devices connect wirelessly to broader network infrastructures. Internet address and protocols. Each device on the Internet has a unique IP address, which allows it to be identified. The domain name system DNS translates IP addresses into user-friendly domain names like www.example.com. Key Internet protocols include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, NNTP, TCP, POP. These protocols ensure smooth data exchange and communication. This slide explains how DNS works hierarchically, starting from root domains such as CAN and .org. DNS improves speed, reliability, and accessibility, allowing users to navigate to the Internet without memorizing numerical IP address.
Now let's look at Internet enablers. These are the key applications and services that make the Internet functional and useful. They include discovery for searching and accessing global information, communication through email, social media, and messaging, resource sharing like cloud storage and network devices, e-commerce enabling online shopping, e-learning providing access to courses and materials. These enablers make the Internet a versatile platform, serving a wide range of purposes and meeting users' daily needs globally. Next, the Internet browser. This is the software that allows us to access and view content online, like websites, videos, and news. The browser acts as a bridge between users and the World Wide Web, converting code and data from web servers into displays that are easier for users to understand. Popular browsers include Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Moving to communication. Communication refers to the exchange of information between individuals or systems. The Internet has transformed how we connect, offering tools that enable both real-time and asynchronous interaction, such as email, instant messaging, video conferencing, and online forums. These tools support personal, educational, and professional interactions, making communication faster, more efficient, and more accessible to a global audience. Next, collaboration. It's the process where people work together and share information to reach common solutions. It involves the joint effort of two or more individuals or groups to solve problems and accomplish tasks. Collaboration fosters teamwork, enhances productivity, and enables the sharing of diverse perspectives, ultimately contributing to the success of organizational goals. Some frequently used collaboration tools are Microsoft Teams, Slack, Notion, Asana, and Google Workspace. Next, the needs and use of the Internet. Today, the Internet supports many aspects of life. It supports education through e-learning platforms, online courses, and access to vast libraries of information. It supports business by e-commerce, digital marketing, and global networking. It also supports entertainment with the streaming, gaming, and social media platforms. It has become an essential part of daily life, connecting people and resources globally. To use the Internet, users need certain basic requirements. First, users need the hardware, a device like a computer or smartphone with network capabilities. Second, an Internet connection from an Internet service provider. Third, network devices like a modem or router. Fourth, updated software including your operating system and browser. Fifth, a stable power source is essential to avoid interruption. And finally, a suitable data or subscription plan. These basic components ensure users can connect to and fully benefit from the resources available on the Internet.
Communication, instant messaging and video conferencing. We can use instant messaging apps to chat with friends and family anytime. Video conferencing helps us talk with people far away easily. Now, let's turn to page 27 to learn about online banking. Beginners online banking. Online banking makes our life more convenient. We can check money, transfer money, and pay bills at home. Let's move to page 28 to talk about e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Shopee and Lazada. We can buy many things on Shopee or Lazada easily. Sellers can sell their products to more people online. Next, let's go to page 29 to see Internet and entertainment. Entertainment, streaming media and online games. We can watch movies and TV shows via streaming media in free time. Online games help us relax with friends after study. Let's turn to page 13 to learn about government and medical use. Government and medical. E-government and health management systems. E-government helps people do government affairs online quickly. Health management systems let doctors check over health records easily. Now, let's move on to page 31 for the summary and closing. Summary and closing remarks. In short, the Internet has become an important part of modern society. It develops fast and influences education, economy, and society deeply. Thanks for your listening.